Hello guys, I have came up with new video that how to install latest version of Eclipse IDE, that is Eclipse 2022-06 on Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install the latest version of Eclipse IDE on Windows operating system, you need to first simply download Java. That is very important step. So for that I have already made the little videos, so you can just check that video. I'll just add the link in the description to how to install the latest version of Java. You can go through that. Do install Java first before, or you can simply install Java while installing Eclipse also. So I'll just show you. But it's a good way to start installing Eclipse, so that I'll recommend that you should go and first download the Java. For installing the Eclipse, you just need to go to your browser. Just click on browser, any of your favorite browser like Google Chrome. So you need to just search for Eclipse download. Then enter, and it will give you the search result of Eclipse download. So just click on this link, which is eclipse.org, this first link. Just simply click on that. Once it redirect you to the official website of Eclipse, just scroll down, and here you can see like get Eclipse IDE 2022-06, which is the latest version. So to download, simply click on download x86_64. So it will redirect you to this page. Just click on download. Yeah, so it has started downloading. Yeah, so you can see that download has been finished, and to install it is very easy. Just double click on this downloaded file. Just minimize the browser. You can see the Eclipse installer has been opened. Yes, so you can see the Eclipse installer installation wizard has been opened. So you can see there are so many options. Like one, you can see Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web applications. Then you can see Eclipse IDE for C, C++ developers. You can see for PHP, for DSL, RCP, RAP. If you are doing your Java projects, so you can just go with this Eclipse IDE for Java developers, or you can simply go with this C, C++, whatever you are doing your projects in. Here it is also for web development, for your embedded stuff. So in this video, I'm going to show you Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and which is the most popular one. Simply click on this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So it will redirect to this page. You can see the JDK path as I have shown in the video of Java development kit, that how to set the path, and Eclipse installer recognize this automatically, the path. And if you have not installed the Java JDK, so simply you can just click over here and you can select this JRE 18.0.1, which is the latest one. But 18.0.2 is the latest one, but here it is shown that here they have shown 18.0.1 is the latest. So simply you can do if you have not installed, and it will download from this site directly. Also it will make the all necessary changes, proceed with the installation, and the process for JDK will be handled by Eclipse installer itself. But as I have told that it is recommended that you should install it before, so that you will not get any error, and I have given the link in the description, so just go through that. So as you can see, my Java JDK has been already installed, and the Eclipse 2022-06 path is also automatically set. So all I need to do is just click on this install button. So here you can see the agreement, just click on accept, and you can see it has started installing. So they will just fetch all the files from the internet, and so it will take some time, and you need to have active internet connection. Yeah, so you can see it has been installed and launch button has been enabled. Just click on this launch button. So it is launching our latest version 2022-06. So it is asking to set a directory as workspace. So I'll just keep it default. So if you want, you can just browse and you can change, but keep the default setting. So just click on launch. So our Eclipse IDE 2022 has rightly started launching. So you can see it has redirected to the foundation website. Like here you can donate. Just minimize it. So I'm just going to tell you the simple hello world program and how to run. So for that, you can just simply click over here. So it will open this package explorer. So you just need to click over here, like create a Java project. Create a Java project over here. That's the one way you can do. Or you can just simply go to file, then new. Here you can just select the Java project and you can just create the new project. Basically it is the same thing, like you can just click over here or you can just select it from file. Now here you have to give the project name. So I'll give it hello world. So Java SE 18 will be our compiler, which we are going to use, which is the latest one. Keep the default setting and just simply click on finish. So before that, it will ask you that you have to create, so you would like to create a new module or not, it will ask. So I don't want it because it is just a simple hello world project. So just I'll click on don't create. So just click on the drop down. So on this source folder, just right click over there, click on new and click on class. So we will just simply create the class and we will name it as hello world. So this is going to be our main method. So just tick this box, select that box, which will be public. Keep other things or default and click on finish. So here you can see our hello world.java has been created. So it has auto generated our main method also. Here you can just easily print hello world. Just write system dot out dot println hello world. End with a semicolon. Yeah, that's all. Just simply click on this run button. So it will ask you to save and launch. Just click on OK. So yes, you can see this hello world has been printed. Console window. Yeah, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Take care. Bye bye.